Among the many breathing techniques available in the yoga world, none is more popular and perhaps more utilitarian than ocean breath, or Ujjayi as it's called in the tradition. This is a technique that for some is really easy to master, and for others it's a bit of a struggle. It's used not just for sitting and breathing, but for advanced breathing techniques, for meditation practices, and even in movement practice or asana. In today's video, we're going to show you a real easy way to get your arms wrapped around ocean breath. Stay tuned. I'm Steve, this is Steve White Yoga, bringing you the tools and deeper practices beyond the mat to manage your health, improve your relationships, and balance your life. Hang out with me, we'll do some ocean breathing. People who've done a lot of yoga classes may be familiar with the term ocean breath and its benefits in asana or movement practice. But beyond what we could do on the mat, a lot of the use of ocean breath has to do with regulation, with being able to take a deeper, fuller, more controlled and yet relaxed in-breath and out-breath. This can add long-term benefits like increase in focus, improved sleep quality, and even reduction in stress and anxiety. And we also use it for more advanced breathing techniques or pranayama, where it becomes necessary to be able to, in a more refined way, regulate the breath. So I'm going to show you the easiest way that I've found to teach this particular method, and it has to do with a sigh and a gasp. Here's a sigh. Here's a gasp. If you can grasp the gasp and the sigh, then you've pretty much got ocean breath. We do it through the nose, but we use the swallowing muscles in the throat to regulate the breath, to close down the opening of the throat just slightly in order to make this slight sound that sounds a little bit like the ocean, or some people relate better to like Darth Vader breath. So however you think of it, it's simply a matter of having the throat slightly closed, breathing in and out gently through the nose, and then over breath cycles, increasing the length and the depth of the breath with that extra regulation. So let's try it. Here's the easy part for most people, which is the sigh. So take a deep inhale. Open your mouth and exhale. And do that again. Deep inhale. And exhale. Feel that sensation in the throat. One more time. Deep inhale. Open your mouth, exhale. Now close. Do that again. Inhale. Open your mouth, exhale. Close. Try it all the way through the nose. Inhale. That's the first half, and the easiest half for most people. Some people get hung up on the second half, and I don't think it's necessary. If you know what it's like to take a gasp, like in excitement or in surprise, then you have that sense right there of what the throat is going to do as you inhale. The only difference is you're not going to be keeping your mouth open. It's all done through your nose. So let's take a gasp. Take an inhale. Exhale through the mouth open this time. Inhale with a gasp. Exhale with a gasp. One more time. Inhale, gasp. Close your mouth. Inhale through your nose. It doesn't come easily to everybody at first. It can take some practice. So if this isn't natural to you or doesn't come very easily, then just do it for a few minutes over a course of a few days or a week, remembering the idea of the sigh and the gasp. And that's ocean breath. What do you do once you can do ocean breath? Anything you want, but mostly we practice with it. So a good beginner's practice for breathing or pranayama using ocean breath is using a 1-to-1 ratio, inhale to exhale, and just beginning to slow the breath. So you might start with a 3-count inhale and a 3-count exhale, and then a 4-count inhale and a 4-count exhale, then 5 in, 5 out, till you get to a point where comfortably you're sort of at your limits in either the inhale, the exhale, or both. It usually happens for most people with the inhale sort of reaching its upper limit before the exhale does. But in either case, once you've reached that comfortable limit, that's where you sort of stay. And then just spend a few minutes doing ocean breath with that maximum inhale-exhale. You might think about belly breathing at the same time, even putting a hand onto your belly as you breathe, so you feel the action of the breath coming into your hand. That's ocean breathing. If you like this video, please hit the like button below and subscribe for more great videos on yoga beyond the mat. I'm Steve, this is Steve White Yoga, and until next time, keep on breathing.